Hi everyone, I'm David, one of the beauty directors here at Sephora, and this video is all about azelaic acid. Now this is a skincare ingredient that's definitely gaining some buzz on social media and possibly with some of your skincare junkie friends. So I'm gonna break it down for you, what it is, what it does, and why you might want to consider putting it into your skincare routine. Now, since this is part of our Beauty Newbie series, what we do in these types of videos is really break down beauty into something really easy to understand for anyone, even if they're new to skincare, makeup, whatever. It's something really quick and easy and also helpful for you in a flash. So let's jump in and talk about azelaic acid. So what are the key benefits? One, it's a great anti, so it's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. And two, it fights dark spots caused from inflammation, things like acne, scars, and melasma. So two great benefits from one incredible product. Okay, so let's talk about some products that you can pick up at Sephora to add azelaic acid into your routine. So the first product I want to talk about is from The Ordinary, and this is the Azelaic Acid Suspension 10%. Now the reason I chose this first is because it's probably the most basic one out there because it's primarily just that, azelaic acid, a 10% concentration, which is really great. And here's the thing that I love about The Ordinary as a brand in general, and why I like to start with these products, because they really break their products down into sometimes just individual ingredients, and that gives you the power to control. I just want to add one ingredient into my routine. You can do that. I like to make those types of customized skincare choices. And especially if you're new to an ingredient, it can be nice to try it out in a very isolated way to see how it reacts with your skin. This is a really lovely texture. It's a bit of like a classic kind of creamy texture. It's not super light, it's not super thick. It's just sort of very medium. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't leave your skin with any type of shine or matting. You would incorporate this somewhere where you would apply a serum, so after washing, but before your final step of your moisturizer or your face oil, and let the azelaic acid in here do its job and see the wonderful results. Okay, so up next, we've got another incredible product with azelaic acid in it, and this is from Paula's Choice, and this is the 10% azelaic acid booster. Now, what's really great about this is here we see a product where the brand has taken the ingredient, the azelaic acid, and they've combined it with fellow ingredients that work really well and harmoniously for the same concerns. So what we have in here is some salicylic acid and some licorice root along with the azelaic acid. Salicylic acid we know, we love, it's a BHA, right? It's great for cleaning out those pores, which obviously if you're struggling with blemishes or breakouts, that's a huge helping ingredient for you. And then licorice root is also another skincare ingredient known for its brightening qualities when it comes to dark spots. So it can really also, the same way the azelaic acid works on breaking up or stopping that hyperpigmentation and the creation of those dark spots, licorice root basically does the same thing, so it adds a little boost to that. So you've got a nice little cocktail of some ingredients that all work lovely together, and also a similar formula to The Ordinary in that it's a very light medium weight cream that just easily absorbs in and kind of just disappears. You don't even really recognize it's there. So it's not going to add any additional weight or any texture or finish to your skin. And also you would apply this in the same area that you've applied the first product. You know, it's going to be in that serum zone during your routine when you're really applying those products that you want to do the most and sink in deep into the skin and really affect a concern. So a great product with some additional ingredients that all work together with that azelaic acid. Okay, so final product that I want to introduce you to, also available at Sephora, is from Topicals, and this is the Faded Serum for dark spots and discoloration. Now here what you have is a product that's combining our hero ingredient, the azelaic acid, with some more well-known dark spot fighting skincare skincare ingredients that are a little bit more active. So you've got things like kojic acid and tranexamic acid, some niacinamide, some licorice root like we had at Paula's Choice as well. So here in this formula, we're getting a little bit more of a targeted approach, really specifically looking at the dark spots that come from attack that our skin gets in just general day-to-day life. So this is a great formula for someone who's looking to address that concern. Now the formula itself is definitely a little bit lighter than the other two, a little bit more classic gel serum-like formula. Still is going to absorb really quickly and fast into the skin without leaving any type of greasy feeling or anything like that. Again, you're going to put this in during your phase where you would apply your serums, so after you've cleansed your skin, but before your final moisturizing step. And honestly, just a wonderful, wonderful way to show you how well azelaic acid works with so many other ingredients and how it can be incorporated really easily and fantastically into your skincare routine. Okay, everyone, well, there you have it, an intro to azelaic acid. Hopefully this was really helpful. Let me know in the comment section below any other questions you may have, or if you are currently using azelaic acid and you love it. Myself and everyone else would love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can get new videos like this from us every single week. I'll see you all soon. Take care. Bye.